If you're cooking or grilling and you want to get the perfect cook on your chicken or steak or burgers, it's always helpful to keep a meat thermometer handy. This is the MEATER Plus. This retails for about $70, and this comes with an app, so it helps you really walk step by step through learning how to cook your meat and getting it to the right exact temperature. So if you're not really sure what the temperature should be, this will guide you along the way and really holds your hand. This is more so if you already know the temperature or if you've looked it up on the internet and you kind of know where you want your meat to be. This is good to keep handy. It doesn't connect to any app. It's only $14. But after knowing the numbers and everything that you want your chicken or burgers or steak to be at, this one is a little bit more convenient. If you're using this, you always have to have your phone handy. So maybe for a beginner, this one is great. So this is good to get started and just really get familiar with those numbers and those temperatures. And then once you're off running, this is a good, easy, convenient thermometer to keep handy.